Want rock-hard abs? Of course you do. Everyone does. But getting those coveted six-pack abs takes more than wishful thinking. It takes dedication, the right exercises, and a commitment to consistency. This isn't about some quick fix or magic solution. This is about putting in the work and seeing real results. We're talking about a 3-week program designed to transform your core, build strength, and help you sculpt the midsection you've always wanted. Get ready to unleash your inner six-pack. It's time to build a stronger, more defined you. This is Athlean X, and let's get started. We're kicking things off strong with Week 1, focusing on foundational exercises that target all the muscles in your core. This isn't just about those coveted six-pack abs. We're talking about engaging your entire midsection, upper abs, lower abs, and those all-important obliques. Each exercise in this routine has been carefully selected to maximize results, ensuring we work every angle of your core for optimal strength and definition. Remember, a strong core is about more than just aesthetics. It's the foundation for better posture, improved athletic performance, and reduced risk of injury. Get ready to fire up your core. This is where your transformation begins. The plank may seem deceptively simple, but don't let that fool you. This exercise is a true test of endurance and strength. This isometric hold is a powerhouse when it comes to core strength. It challenges not just your abs, but your entire body. It's about engaging your entire midsection, building stability, and creating a rock-solid foundation. Your shoulders, back, and even legs play a crucial role. To perform a plank, start by getting into a push-up position, then lower down onto your forearms. Ensure your body is aligned. Make sure your elbows are directly beneath your shoulders, and your body forms a straight line from head to heels. This alignment is key. Hold this position, bracing your core and squeezing your glutes. Engage every muscle to maintain form. Don't let your hips sag or your back arch. Keeping a neutral spine is essential to avoid injury. Aim for a 30-second hold, gradually increasing the duration as you get stronger. Consistency is key to progress. Remember, quality over quantity is key. A well-executed plank is far more beneficial than a longer, poorly performed one. It's better to hold a perfect plank for a shorter duration than to compromise form for a longer hold. Focus on precision and control. Next up, we're hitting those obliques with bicycle crunches, a dynamic exercise that engages your entire core. This exercise is not just about movement, it's about precision and control. While sculpting those coveted side abs, this movement is all about controlled rotation, ensuring that each twist effectively targets the oblique muscles, ensuring we're working those deep abdominal muscles that are often neglected. To perform bicycle crunches, lie flat on your back with your knees bent. This starting position is crucial for maintaining proper form throughout the exercise. And your hands behind your head. Lift your shoulders off the ground, engaging your core. This initial lift is key to activating your abdominal muscles right from the start. Now, bring your right elbow towards your left knee as you simultaneously extend your right leg. This cross-body movement is what targets the obliques, making sure each side gets an equal workout. Continue this alternating motion, mimicking a pedaling motion, for a total of 15 to 20 repetitions on each side. It's important to keep a steady pace to maximize the effectiveness of the exercise. Remember to keep your movements slow and controlled, focusing on the quality of each rep rather than the quantity. This ensures that your muscles are fully engaged and working hard. Focusing on contracting your abs with each twist. Feel the burn in your obliques. This sensation is a sign that you're effectively working those muscles. That's the sound of a stronger, more defined core in the making. Keep practicing, and you'll see improvements in your core strength and overall fitness. Section 5. Exercise 3. Leg raises. Engaging lower abs for definition. This exercise is a staple in any core workout routine and is essential for building a strong, defined midsection. No core workout is complete without targeting those lower abs, and leg raises are the perfect exercise for the job. They not only help in building strength, but also improve stability and balance. This move isolates those hard-to-reach muscles, helping to sculpt a more defined and toned lower abdomen. Consistent practice can lead to visible results, enhancing your overall physique. To perform leg raises, lie flat on your back with your legs extended and your arms by your sides. Ensure that your body is in a straight line and your core is engaged. Keeping your core engaged and your back pressed into the floor, slowly raise your legs towards the ceiling. Focus on using your lower abs to lift your legs rather than relying on momentum. As your legs reach a 90-degree angle, pause for a moment, squeezing your lower abs. This pause is crucial for maximizing the engagement of your abdominal muscles. Then, slowly lower your legs back down, stopping just before they touch the ground. This controlled descent is key to maintaining tension in your lower abs. Remember to maintain control throughout the movement, avoiding any swinging or momentum. This ensures that your lower abs are doing the work, not your hip flexors or other muscles. This exercise is all about precision and engaging those lower abs for maximum impact. By focusing on form and control, you can effectively target and strengthen your lower abdominal muscles, leading to better definition and core strength. Section 6, Week 2. Amplification. Turning up the heat. Congratulations on conquering Week 1. Now it's time to crank things up a notch. In Week 2, we're increasing the intensity and adding some variations to challenge your muscles and accelerate your progress. We'll be building upon the foundational exercises from Week 1, introducing advanced modifications and increased resistance to push your limits and break through any plateaus. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to the routine, push yourself, and prepare to witness your core strength and definition soar to new heights. Section 7. Week 3. Transformation. Sculpting your masterpiece. Welcome to Week 3, the final stage of your ab transformation journey. By now, you've built a solid foundation, mastered the essential exercises, and pushed your limits. Now it's time to sculpt those abs into a masterpiece. In this final week, we'll be incorporating advanced variations, explosive movements, and strategic rest periods to maximize muscle fatigue and encourage optimal muscle growth and definition. Get ready to unleash your inner athlete and sculpt the strong, defined core you've been working so hard to achieve. Section 8. Fueling your ab workout. Nutrition for success. Remember, building a strong core isn't just about the exercises you do, it's also about what you fuel your body with. A balanced diet plays a crucial role in supporting muscle growth, burning fat, and maximizing your results. Focus on consuming lean protein sources like chicken, fish, and beans to provide your muscles with the building blocks they need to recover and grow. Incorporate complex carbohydrates like brown rice, quinoa, and sweet potatoes for sustained energy levels throughout your workouts. Don't forget about healthy fats, found in avocados, nuts, and olive oil, which are essential for hormone production and overall well-being. By fueling your body with the right nutrients, you'll optimize your performance, enhance recovery, and maximize your ab-defining potential. Section 9. The importance of hydration. Quench your muscles' thirst. Water is essential for life, and it plays a crucial role in optimizing your workouts and supporting muscle recovery. When you're dehydrated, your performance suffers, your muscles fatigue faster, and your risk of injury increases. Aim to drink 2 to 3 liters of water throughout the day, especially before, during, and after your workouts. Proper hydration helps regulate body temperature, transports nutrients to your muscles, and flushes out waste products. Make hydration a priority, and your body will thank you with improved performance, enhanced recovery, and optimal results. Section 10. Consistency. Your key to unlocking core strength. Congratulations! You've reached the end of this 3-week ab-building journey. Now armed with the knowledge, the routine, and the nutritional guidance, it's time to put it all together and unlock your true core strength. Remember, consistency is key. Stick to the routine, challenge yourself, and never underestimate the power of dedication. You've put in the work, now it's time to reap the rewards. Get ready to unveil a stronger, more defined, and confident you. Keep pushing, keep striving, and never stop believing in your ability to achieve your fitness goals.